What's up, YouTube? This is Lady Wrenchhand, and you are watching Aircraft Structures 61 through 80. 61. Which two secondary or auxiliary flight controls increase the camber of the wings, provide greater lift, and offer control at slow speeds? Flaps and slats. 62. Which secondary flight control is designed to increase drag and reduce the speed of the aircraft when deployed? Speed brakes. 63. Which secondary flight control is rigged to operate with the ailerons to assist with the lateral movement of the aircraft? Spoilers. 64. Which secondary flight control found on the trailing edge of the primary flight control surface aids in maintaining the flight control surface position? Trim tabs. 65. What kind of tab moves in the same direction as the primary control surface? Anti-servo tabs. 66. Which part of the wing, located on the upper surface of a wing, fuselage, or empennage, is designed to promote positive airflow over the wings and control surface? Vortex generators. 67. What supports the aircraft during landing and while on the ground? Landing gear. 68. What type of landing gear is stationary and does not retract for flight? Fixed gear. 69. Do the main wheel assemblies usually have a braking system? Yes, main wheel assemblies usually have a braking system. 70. What is an amphibious aircraft? It's an aircraft that can land on land or water. 71. What are the two basic configurations of airplane landing gear? Conventional gear, or tailwheel gear, and tricycle gear. 72. What is a ground loop? When the tail of the aircraft swings around and comes forward of the nose of the aircraft. 73. With tricycle gear, how might the nose wheel be steered? With rudder pedals or a nose wheel steering wheel in the cockpit. 74. Where can standard or general aircraft maintenance procedures be found? AC 4313-2 and AC 4313-1. 75. What supersedes AC 4313-1 and AC 4313-2? Manufacturer's instructions. 76. What are fuselage stations numbered in? Inches from a reference point or the datum? '77. What is the datum? The datum is an imaginary vertical plane at or near the nose of the aircraft. '78. What is the butt line? It is a vertical reference down the center of the aircraft from which measurements can be made left or right. '79. What are firewalls and engine decks usually made of? Stainless steel. 80. What does changing the angle of attack on the rotating blades do on a helicopter? It increases or decreases lift. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Be sure and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Go ahead and give me a like if you enjoyed this video, and comment in the section below for more videos that you'd like to see.